Well, hey everybody, it's the Crockett Coonhound, and I'm out here in the backyard again. Now, folks, today I am fixing Jethro Cull and Cindy Lou's coop ramp and their pole that hangs up their water bucket. Now, you can see right here, for everybody that's been following along, those are the old sideboards off of our trailer that we're building for our aluminum boat trailer project. But guys, I just want to tell you, it's all about mindset when you're into backyard farming, you're into homesteading, you're into a minimalist type of mindset. As soon as I took those boards off the trailer the other day, guys, the first thing that came across my mind is, where can I reuse these around the homestead? Now, it really wasn't all that difficult, guys. Went out there this morning, just set the saw up right, ripped it down as you see right here. And, you know, now I have a new piece to hold up Jethro and Cindy Lou's water bucket. Perfect for them because, well, they're chickens and they don't care that much. But moving on, I am fixing their coop ramp. I wanted to show you guys right here, and you'll see it in a minute. In this whole project, I don't have a dime, guys. I'm actually even going to save my nails right here and stuff. I knocked loose the old runs of the old ramp and things. I went ahead here in just a second. I take the two boards, line them up, the old ramp and the new board, straighten out my nails, guys, nail everything back together. I like to do it that way I don't split any of the runs and things. But it wouldn't be the Crockett Coonhound Show if I didn't talk to the folks that are new to things like this. Little tool safety, guys. Remember, don't choke your hammer, grab it by the end. That way, when you're nailing the old nails, they go right in and don't bend. But anyways, I continued to on through the entire new runs of the ladder. Went back, marked off on either side of my nail heads, guys, and got the saw back out. Started cutting out each individual new run for the coop ramp. But that's the thing about it, guys. There's been many projects that I've done where you've seen me repurpose things, because that's really the idea about the mindset that you want, guys. You want to be able to take something that part of it might still be good and reuse it elsewhere around the homestead. So for my folks that are new, just keep in mind, you know, anytime you're doing a project like this, always ask yourself, you know, whatever you've got left over, where will it benefit me in the future here on the homestead? Much like the wood that I cut out between the runs, guys, right here into the fire pit to make you folks some fireside chat videos. And there you have it, guys. It's all complete. A coat of paint and it'll be ready to go. But anyways, guys, I say it all the time. Stay safe on the water, stay safe in the woods, and stay tuned here at the Crockett Coonhound Show. And myself and Scooter will have you folks another video dropping shortly. You guys have a great day.